Hey guys, today I have another package opening. So this is my package. Just gonna show the bag. This is how it looks like. I didn't open it, so I'm gonna open it right now. Open this. Oh yeah, wow. So I got me Gore Magic, and this is how it looks like. I got me two of them. I found a website online. So this is how it looks like. Let me see. Oh, I guess there is a paper of the information. Uh, where I got it from, and the rest is just these kind of things. So these two small things in this whole package. So that's how it looks like. That's it. This is my package opening. I know it's a very short video, so I just wanted to do package opening. I have a like playlist for everything in my channel. I have a playlist just like for package opening. So if you wanna watch one thing and you don't wanna watch another, so I just have that. That's what I did. And I just want to thank everybody for watching, and I want to thank my new subscribers too for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot.